Hello, my intellectual friends. Welcome back to the channel. And today I have a little bit of a different video. I'm going to do an unbox party. I have this very special box that just came in, and it's from Japan. So let's see what's inside. And you bet that we are going to make a video on this particular item that we unbox today as well. So the box, the knife, and let's see. There we go. Exciting. I am totally stoked about this because I have been waiting for this for a long time. Always be careful using knives. Probably should have put on gloves, but okay, there we are. Let's have a look. I already see Japanese newspapers. That is so cool. This is a very special item. I hope it's visible. And there we go. Wow, look at that. How beautiful. Beautiful picture of the famous monkeys bathing in the hot water. One day I hope to visit that myself. Awesome. And this already gives you a little bit of an idea what's in it. We'll see it. Let's see what we have more. Beautiful little note that's in it. I'll save the invoice for myself. And the note that actually says, "Hello Igor, thank you for supporting Japan's traditional bent woodcraft. Hope you like the Bento box made by Mr. Morita and Miss Shibata. All the best, enjoy." Best, and that is something that I cannot really read. Gunne Japan. I'll tell you a little bit more about the company in a minute. What a beautiful, beautiful little note. Awesome. Handwritten. I love this. Obviously, be careful with this because I want to keep this. And then we have the beautiful cloth that goes around the box. I'll show you the box obviously in a minute. And this is a nice yellow with cranes on it. I hope it's visible in the light here. I said one day I will make a video on the box itself, so you can see how it looks. What do we have here? Oh, this is the band that goes around it as well, beautifully packed with the beautiful paper with the waves here. And this is the box itself. What a present, unbelievable. So there we have it. Look at that, the workshop where all the boxes are made. And here are the people. This is actually Mr. Taizo Morita, the master artisan who makes the bento boxes. Still the way they made them like centuries ago. Handmade, beautiful. The company itself is actually, you can find them online. I found them through Etsy, and just a disclaimer here, obviously I'm totally not sponsored by this company. They are not paying me. I stumbled upon them on Etsy. And Gunne, or Gunne, I'm not sure how you pronounce it properly, is the name. And I said, if you go on Etsy, you look for Bento Box Gunne, then Goenne, then you'll find the company there. They have a lot of really nice bento boxes there. And actually, they also have their website. I didn't even look at that before. Goenne.com. There it is. I think you can see it here. So check them out. I love them. Beautiful company. Traditional handmade products. So this is a very special item. Definitely an item that I need to have in my Wunderkammer. And yeah, you guys believe it or not, but I am actually going to use this box for myself, obviously, for my lunches. If I am going to work. And let's see if we can very carefully cut this in a way that it is. Yeah, there we go. And there it is. It's always a little smaller than the than the pictures on the side. So I hope this is enough for my lunch. But I'm not a big eater, and in Japan, I think in general they are pretty frugal when it comes to their lunches. But look how this is nicely wrapped in this paper. And here you have the beautiful box itself. Wow, I smell the cedar. It's amazing. The smell that just comes to me now. This is actually the bottom. And there we have it. And this is very funny. They actually do your name on the box. So this is my name in Japanese. And it's Japanese only. You can have a variety where it says you're European or Latin, if they, I think, call it name. But and then with the Japanese, but I requested them to have the Japanese name only. Because for me that's more special. I don't have to have the European or Latin letters on there. Beautifully made box. It's very light because of the cedar. If we open it up, you'll see here again some notes. And the little divider that I was hoping to get. That goes in like this. And you can divide your food in compartments. So there you have it. Nice bento box from Guna, Japan, with the divider, all 100% cedar, beautifully handmade. Where's the lid? The lid I have here with me, and it comes with a nice elastic band. And the elastic band, and then the crane cloth that goes around it, and then basically that's how you bring it home. So I hope you enjoyed this. As I said, I'm going to make another video specifically on the bento box and the history, but that's for another date. I'm not sure when that will be. Maybe a couple of months, maybe a couple of weeks, depending on my time. But look out for that. Thank you so much, and hope to see you next time in the Wunderkammer.